we thought it would be fun to go to Cast Connections, but only give us, Jessie, when we only have 15 minutes to get ready. I've never washed my hair so fast in my life. We're hoping to make the bus. We're gonna speed walk, but the thing is, it's an hour away to get to Cast Connection, so it's not like we can catch the next bus because we only come, it's an hour away, and then we'll all end up being late for work and etc, etc. So we'll let you know how it goes. So we got a glass, which is pretty cool. $2.99. Go Tamar. Oh, what's this? That's nice. $12.99.
Not me in the video. I will not allow it. I forgot about this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Elise and I were going to buy that.
How cute is that?
It's very cute.
I bought a Christmas top. Here's real bargain of the day.
The pen. It was $27.95 down to $1.99. Very snazzy. I'm loving it.
Oh, it's got my milk this time.
You got another one. Some pasta.
That's it.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Well, there's some bargains. Now time to show what I got. I got just a standard Walt Disney World Vinylmation. We have one at home, but not this one, so I thought we can add this to the collection. I got an Aurora Christmas ornament. There's literally nothing wrong with it, and that was $4.99. I got myself some earrings for $3.50. They're literally gorgeous. Yay! I got myself a Mickey cap because why not? I got myself some more ornaments if I can get them out. Got Tinkerbell's shoe. Got Elsa and Anna. And I got Buzz and Woody.
Does everyone have a backpack but me?
Yeah. It's okay, you went all beachy.
Beachy?
You stuck with the theme. It's like a...
I thought you said bitchy.
No, beachy.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, I'm matching her.
Well, Tamar and I, we're the somewhat matching. We're kind of odd.
Just don't try.
Oh, God.
Call me Michelle.
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 Michelle. We are...
Hola, mi name Michelle.
Hola. We were learning a bit of Spanish last night. Don't know how far we got.
Mi name Michelle.
Yeah, we learnt how to say our name. Anyway, we are going to Blizzard Beach. Michelle and I were keen on bed, just staying in there. Tamar walks in. It's time for the water park.
You don't have a choice.
We don't. We did not have a choice. She forced us up, but we love her because we're going to have a great day and we're going to remember this day for life.
The rest of our lives.
The rest of our lives. We're probably going to fall asleep on the bus, not going to lie.
It better be good.
It better be good because, well, sleep.
You know.
Are
we going out tonight
Well,
as well?
apparently going out tonight. We forgot. We're just not gone out for this lifestyle.
I just want to do my washing.
Yeah, I have not done my washing in like 2 weeks. I literally have got only a couple of things left to wear. So, I think I have to do that tonight, or
Yeah,
I
we'll do it tonight
No.
when we get back.
before we go out. We've arrived at Blizzard Beach. This is gonna be fun. Oh my god, I want to do it. Oh no!
It's called Button. Aww, look at the mom. She's so proud.
Oh, it's Button. Hey.
Oh, look at the mom. She's so proud of her little button.
That's hilarious. Right. We just did a bunch of water slides. They were really fun. Some were actually kind of fast. Yeah. Not gonna lie. So, we just ordered some lunch. So, we got some fries and a few of us got this Southwest chicken wrap. And then Tamar's got a hot dog.
This is quite big, actually. Where are the serviettes? This is really big.
On the side.
Whoa!
That is really massive.
Yellow. And tell us what drink you got, Michelle.
Blue lemonade.
Oh, does it look nice?
Frozen.
Wait, does it
It's
smell
alright.
nice? And taste nice?
Yeah.
Look what Michelle and Tamar got.
The moment
They're
of
not
truth.
warm. Just a disappointment.
Is it a disappointment? Yeah, really.
Do you like it?
It was better warm.
You enjoying your ice cream? Looks delish. You're the funny one. Yeah, Kira. You always bring out the good dance moves. I know.
Want it for the man?
Go, Kira. Chris. Legit, he is so hot. I can't believe it. We're now at Chick-fil-A. I am yet to try it. I'm not that hungry at the moment, so Kira and I are going to share some strips. What did you get, Tamar?
We got some strips,
Yeah.
got some waffle fries,
Ooh.
some garlic and herb ranch sauce,
Oh, garlic and
recommend, and a Polynesian sauce, also recommend, from the Polynesian Hotel.
Are you satisfied, Michelle?
I am. It's better than my lunch though. I didn't eat.
And they bring it out to you.
Oh, that was just sauce.
But that's like your table number.
What's this one? I took it and I was like,
You asked for one of everything?
Well, I don't know what sauce she likes.
I like urban ranch, Polynesian, barbecue, Chick-fil-A, and zesty buffalo.
And then
Trying the herbs mayo.
you can tell I'm a sauce person.
It's actually really good.
How is it, Charles?
It's good, but I'm not a professional at opening sauces with one hand.
Kira, what do you think?
I'll hold it and you try.
Alright, I am trying the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Do you care if I double dip?
No, I don't. Good. The colour of it is putting me off.
Yeah, that's kind of freaking me out. I'll stick to barbecue.
It's not bad.
Next sauce.
Polynesian sauce.
That's one I got.
It's not bad. Try a little bit more.
That was the wrong sauce.
I should try a little bit more. Now trying barbecue. Not my favourite. My last sauce is zesty buffalo. Oh no. I'm done spilling.
You just filming?
Hello, chili dog.
Hi, Chelsea. I'm a bit upset.
What's wrong?
I just wanted more Coke, and I bashed down, and
You're a
then
bully. You're a pusher.
I'm not the pusher boy. Good old Tame Rose. She said so herself. Turn it around.
That's all chili dog.
Turn it around to Tame
Where
Rose.
is she? It's an empty seat. She left us. She wasn't with us for long.
Please say a prayer.
She just left.